before I say anything, why up on the title? Man no funny, man hilarious. Let's get to the video.
Me say for about 5 minutes, the whole of Jamaica shake up. Why? Move around. Yo, January, big man thing. You can't give the rest of the month them a chance. January.
What's up YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs here and I am back with another video. But first, before we get to the laughing side of the video, the enjoyment of the video, let's take a moment to make sure say everybody okay in Jamaica. So all of my viewers from Jamaica, make sure if you're not alright, like the video and know so not alright. Not even like the video. Like the video, yes, but make sure it's not alright, you see me I say? Free from the coronavirus, and I hope the earthquake never do no major damage to your place. Yeah, but let's get to the funny part. Let's get to the meme then. Because all know Jamaicans, all Jamaicans are comedian. Like everybody in Jamaica are comedian to me. Yeah. So let's get to the funny meme then, man. See, people take serious things, make joke. As we all know in Jamaica. So let's look at these earthquake memes. No. Okay, YouTube. So we here with Dale right now. Right? You all see this meme going, you all see this video going. To me, this is the most hilarious comedian out of Jamaica. You understand when I say man funny? Why yo? But this is the most hilarious comedian to me, yo. We're gonna pre that video, we're gonna listen to him and say good. And look what I'm doing with the video, people. Watch it.
Oh, January, why you want to take all that news? No,
Yeah.
man, enough for you now, man, January.
Yeah.
Since the month start, Trump get impeached.
Yeah.
World War III. Man,
Yeah.
kill woman, kill themselves.
Yeah.
Girl dance on her head, tap on her neck. Girl jump on her, broke her neck, kill her.
Yeah.
Australia abundant.
Yeah.
People from CMU now stop rob and thief money.
Yeah.
Dopey a float in a tree top and mobile say
Yeah.
them come to kill scammer. Taxi man lick down police off a tree.
Yeah.
Teacher get shot and kill a Rockford. State of emergency in a East Kingston.
Yeah.
Kobe Bryant dead.
No.
Coronavirus come to kill we.
No.
And when you think you've seen it all, earthquake just got
Oh,
Jamaica.
Jesus.
Me say for about 5 minutes, the whole of Jamaica shake up. Why? Move around. Yo, January, big man thing. You can't give the rest of the month them a chance. January. Make us see February, no?
Yeah.
Come to March and April and May and June and June. Oh, January, why you want to take all that news?
Exactly. And February, make us February for real, because February is my birthday. Remember last year, them time I say, yo, we reach 1,000 subscribers, YouTube, and we there. How much me there now? Anyways, but for real, people, it's like this is the whole of January. This is January news covered in one video, a 1 minute clip, a 1 minute video clip. It's like everything happened in January. January. Next on the agenda, people, guess what I have now? Who this? We have Dino Crazy. Oh boy.
Yeah, you feel that? You feel that, Chris?
Yo, see, it's simple. This is torture, yo. Jesus Christ. It's like saying actually happened, yo. Watching the video, it's like saying actually the earthquake just like the earthquake just happened. Like it at the moment of recording this video, it just happened. Look at the man actually. Jesus Christ. They might take coming to a different level. I wonder if they oh yeah, we have something there too. What name Voldemort. Him go on to a thing.
In your pinnacle, girl.
Yeah.
Distance to the neighbor.
You come?
Yeah. How about that?
Why you come so quick?
You don't feel that? You ever get nothing yet, sir?
I'm going a while ago. No, man, something going a while ago. I don't know how I go, but something going. What anyways, people? It's been a boy Tyrekejt. Thanks for checking out this little video. You understand? It's a little video. A little video for today. I really want to get an haircut and sharpen up myself. You see me? So go and subscribe. Yeah. Okay, YouTube. So I know that video is like very short or whatever, but it's like honestly, that's all everybody at Jamaica. Alright. I love get myself in the hype mood to make a video. I never really had a hype mood. But in a show off in the video, I say it now. You understand me? So go and like the video and go and subscribe to the channel, you know what I mean? I go work on a different video for upload, you understand? Well, and call your fat. But yeah, it's been a boy Tyrekejt, guys. Thanks for checking out my video. Soon on another Soon in another video, watch a shadow right as well. See you in another video, guys. Thanks for checking out my video. I understand. Peace out. Sometimes when you turn the camera, you just don't want to turn it off. Yeah, some feel. I know I don't look good. I know I'm ugly like, but people make bed and wash and do. Bye.